Hi everybody, welcome back, or if you're just joining, welcome in. My name's Chris and I live in Colorado, but I'm out in California right now just having a little fun, and I decided to stay at two of the cheapest hotels next to the amusement parks I'm going to. This one is Little Boy Blue, so why don't you come along and let's see what we can see. Yeah, this is pretty much what you get for about $80 to $87 a night. Walking distance to Disneyland. It's really not much. Yeah, in fact, the front door itself kind of sticks, at least when trying to close it. Gotta really lean into it. Not the best condition as far as hotel rooms. And the beds themselves are very, very firm. Bordering on hard. Yeah, if you take a look at the mirror, you'll see, yeah, this thing has not been cleaned in a bit. And here's the bathroom. Unfortunately, the tub had no stopper in it. My legs are really, really sore from all that walking yesterday, but oh well. Now, it does come with a microwave and a fridge, and I do have to say, the beer in there, I bought it room temperature. By the next morning, it felt like it was practically frozen. This is actually a very good fridge. And as far as amenities, well, there's the pool. And that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and my room key demagnetized twice since yesterday. Probably because it's the wrong park. Yeah, and I know the phone is outdated, but the cable does need to be repaired. Here's a quick look at the outside. Again, it's pretty no frills, but it is right across the street from the Garden Walk and maybe a 15-minute walk to Disneyland's front gate. Yeah, this room was adequate. It provided a roof over my head and a place to sleep. That was really about it. I probably wouldn't stay here again, but it's pretty much time to check out, start heading over towards Knott's Berry Farm, where my other hotel is waiting. Again, it's another cheap one, and I'm not expecting much better than this. And now it's time to head back in this rental car, head over, have some off-camera lunch with a friend, and then I'll show you that other hotel. Hi everybody, Editor Chris here. It occurs to me that I forgot to tell you where this second motel was. It's the Best Inn & Suites, located on Beach Boulevard and Crescent, kind of diagonally from the Knott's Berry Farm parking lot. Extremely convenient to Knott's Berry Farm. Alright, well, already we have a small closet right here with an ironing board. The last one had a place for an iron, but no iron and no ironing board, so already it's a step up. We got a slightly smaller TV, so, slightly stepped down. I will check and find out just how good this fridge is in the morning. I'll put something room temperature in there, and oh, well, it looks like it's needs to be turned up, doesn't it? Well, we'll figure that out. It also comes with a coffee maker, so, again, better than the last place. And a nice little microwave. Got a little desk area over here. We got me in the mirror. The bed is just one bed, and it looks about the same size as the last one. Ooh, definitely softer. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this restroom. Very interesting shape. And we got the toilet over there. And a simple little bathtub and shower. I do hope the water is hotter than the last place. That was quite annoying to basically hardly have any heat. Yeah, the Best Inn & Suites was absolutely a step up from Little Boy Blue. If you're looking for a budget hotel near Knott's Berry Farm, yeah, I'd probably stay at that one again. As far as Comfort, the beds were much softer, much more comfortable. The shower was much warmer. That refrigerator, just as cold as Little Boy Blue's. So, all in all, yeah, I would stay there again. Yeah, but now, as you could probably tell, I am back in Colorado. And, well, we're going to be doing some more Colorado exploring from here on out. So, hope you come back for that, and thanks for watching.